Hey guys, I'm Adi Rahman here again with lots of interesting things as you know about me. Sorry that I couldn't upload any of my videos in previous 2 months. So let's start our new video. So we are not gonna do it so late. I have already opened my browser and my code. If you have Google, you can open Google, Firefox, etc. It's like that. Okay, let's start our video. There. Let's start a new file, new text file, and save it as in desktop. Make a folder of table. Enter index.html. Okay, let's start. See here, guys. What is the table? I'll not tell you in the blackboard. We'll learn it and it on something else. So you can see I have loaded an Excel sheet on my Windows, so I can tell you that what's a table. See, can you see these rows, columns? That's a table, not this that 2x2 is equal to 4. This is a mathematical table, okay? But this table in HTML about which we are gonna learn today is a compound mixture of rows and columns. So let's start the video. First of all, here we have a an abbreviation of HTML doc. We know how to. Let's leave the title. See, table. TR. Oh, sorry. Yeah, TRX 3. TH. Oh no, TRTH X3. No, that will not work. Let's do it in another way. Table. Okay, here is the table. TH. What is a TR? TR is table row. What is a TR? TR is equal to table row. Now in the video we'll learn about some basic elements for a table. Here, name, date or birth, and in the last, salary or school. Office. No, we can just read as professional or a student. Let's see. Will it work? Copy the path and paste it here. Oh my god, that's something very great, but it's not working. Okay, another TR. Then what is a TH? You can see that by default it have bolded the TH. That's why it is called table head. Now again a table row, table data, 3 times, and again the same. Okay, tell me my mistake in the comments and I'll tell me my mistake, but I'm gonna clear my mistake that I will by intention make in this video. You have to tell me what was the mistake, okay? Ryan, hurry up and comment now, because it will be cheating if you saw the full video and then told me what is the mistake. Okay, Ryan, Adil, and Zurays. Okay, date of birth 25 March 2010. Okay, 13 April. Oh, sorry, 13 3 April 2013. 25 May 2008. Student student student. Hey, that's cool, right? But we have to make another thing here for style. Style dot css. Style dot css. Okay, table dd th dr border 1px solid. It worked, right? But the mistake is this. Why is it doing that? See, name rhyme 25 2010. Okay, student this and this. Why is it doing this? Cause we made the code like this, but we don't have to do that at all. The thing is, okay, excuse me, I'll clear it. dd first of all, portfolio about other. See, here you can take it as a portfolio or data. We can't enter 3 names in one tr in one table row. Okay, table Adil, date of birth is 3 April 2013, and I'm a student. Okay, now portfolio about Ryan. Portfolio or data, 25 March 2010. Student again, and here my last bro, Zurays. 25 May 2008, and student he is. Now see, isn't it good? Name other rhymes, race, date of birth 3/25/25, professional student. Isn't it great? It is like Axel. See, no, 11 will be correct. Bold. Name, date, or okay, like this. We made the table like it was in Excel. Now, but that is, I don't like this type of table. So can we just make it a bit thick? Oh man, 11.5 works. Let's see. Zero. Um, zero is like that, but I don't like this type of things. I need it. Let's see what happens now. Oh man, that's good. But you know what? I can't even take this. Okay, it will be correct, but border color matters. Border color, border color, coral. Let's see if it works. Oh, great! That's a great color, you know, but it's not like such professional color, so we'll convert it into dark blue. See, now it's like something professional. And now border radius, 50 px. Let's see. Oh man, that's great. 20 ex. That's something good. But what if we cut the table? Now isn't it great? And now DH. Whoa, that's perfect. But no, not doing it professionally. Then 5. Now 5 is final. Okay. Now, as you know, I have to put a stopper in my video now. Then let's make something else. Okay, now let's see what are we gonna make. Let's see something very hard. Yeah, buttons. We need buttons in style. Okay, button class BDN home. Link again style.css now dot bdn wait a second, guys. Okay, guys, again here. Now I have copied a code snip. Here we go. I'll explain it to you. Transition 0.4s ease box shadow this. Okay, I'll give this code you in the source code. Okay, now let's see what happens next. Copy path. Wow, that's a great button. Let's see what happens after. Oh, sorry, it's something else, not your game. Okay, now it is working, but I want to make it more. This is just this and I don't like it. Let's see, what can we do? Let's put a minus here and a plus here. Whoa, that's a great thing, right? See, man. That's great, but I don't need it at all. Let's make it a more -1. It's going fast. -56. Oh man, what happened? Oh, that's great. See? Yeah, that's good. Let's make it 100. Great animation. Hmm? But we need it in -1. And that's working very good. Now what if we did the transitions? 90 seconds ease. That's being so slow, man. Slow. 0.1. That's so fast. That's so fast. Oh man, that's fast. But not this much. We need it a bit back. Again that thing. 0.01 seconds. Just like that. 0 second. 0.97 was it? That's great. Okay, so this was our video today, and I will give you everything and anything in the source code. So goodbye.